Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change or edit subscript in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now I will edit this subscript. First I will edit this subscript. Drag your mouse, select your subscript. Here you can change subscript font size. You can increase, also you can decrease. You can make this italic, bold. Also you can underline, you can change the subscript color. Also you can highlight this one and see this. Also you can undo, I will undo this subscript, select. Now select format option. Here you will find a text option and reselect subscript. It will be undo and see this. Also I will change this subscript, increase or decrease size and see this. Yeah, in this way you can remove or increase, decrease your subscript size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.